Hey guys, so today we'll talk about Binance Flexible Earn and how you can lock your cryptos and of course you get rewarded for locking them. Okay, now first of all, you can see I have about $13 on my dashboard. Now this is simply because I want to show you that this could work for little amount of capital. All right. Now the next thing you're going to do, you can find that product here on your Binance app. You can find it here. Okay, but if you are just starting out, you might not find the option. You have to click on more. Okay, when you click on more, um this is the end area. I'm going to show you how to calculate it and of course how this end product works. You click on end. The next thing you find is the end, and then you can select it here. Now some people call it a way you can get passive income on Binance, but of course it is all the same thing. You get to lock your cryptos for some certain period of time depending on when you want. All right, and then you get rewarded for locking them. I mean, daily rewards. Okay, now when you come here you can find out there are low risk and high yield. Of course, what you have to do as a beginner is on the low risk area, and in fact the low risk area is where you have to pay attention to. I've talked about the high yield, we'll talk about dual investment, but today will be about the low risk. Now, on the low risk area, there are lots of products here. They call it product, but they're all cryptos. You can see there's USDC with the APR, there's USDT with the APR, Ethereum with the APR, OM with the APR. Now, you have to be very careful when you're choosing APR because all of these represent APR in 1 year, and choosing any crypto or product with high APRs simply means that they are more likely to get you better rewards. But you have to always make sure that you know what you're doing. If you choose cryptos with high APRs, it means that you get rewarded higher amounts when you lock those cryptos. Okay, and if at the end of the locking period the crypto increase in price, then you get more rewarded. Okay, and if it reduces in price, in fact you can slide into a loss. All right, so that is why I always mention you can actually start with stable coins, because if it increases in price you still get it's still very stable for you. So you can choose USDC or USDT if you're starting out, but generally all of them are amazing. Okay, you can choose the particular one you want. Because of this is a beginners class, I'm just going to be starting with USDT. You click on USDT and it's going to get opened, and now you can find that there are two types. This is flexible, which is for 6.69 percent, and this other one is also flexible, but it is for 21 days. Okay, so that means you can only lock your cryptos for 21 days, and of course it gets a 1.7 percent reward. Okay, now I'm going to explain what the flexible means, but before I do that, let's talk about the 21 days 1.7. When you click on the 21 days, this shows you that you can lock your cryptos for a period of 21 days, and you get a reward of 1.7%. Okay, but you can see this product is actually a hot one, so immediately it's available, it's going to be sold out because a lot of people will be interested and they want to lock their cryptos for that amount of time and get some percent. Now you can see you can find here that you will be rewarded, you'll be notified when the product is available. So always click on this place so you can know when it will be available, and when you find something like this, it means when the opportunity arises again, you'll be notified so you can actually be part of it. It is very, very limited. Not everybody can find the opportunity, so you have to click on the reminder button that will be here so that you can be reminded whenever it's available. All right, and this is only for 21 days. After 21 days, it is going to be automatically unlocked, unstaked for you. Okay, and you get the 1.7% of whatever you have locked. Now, on the flexible area, you have 6.69, and this 6.69 is for a year. All right, it's for a year. And what you have to do is to calculate. Some people do not want to lock it for 1 year. It is flexible, which means you can remove it anytime you like. Anytime you like. So I'm going to calculate it for you. 6.69 is for a year, so you can know how much you can do in a month, 2 months, and 3 months. Now, let's say I want to start with 10 USDT, and of course course, you can see that is what I will be using. It is what I have available right now. So 10 USDT for 6.69. I'm going to go to my calculator and let me show you how it is calculated. 6.69% for a period of, it's an APR for 1 year. So for 1 month, you have to divide it by 12. So this is the APR for 1 month, for 1 month, which is 0.5575% for 1 month. All right. Now, this is percent, so you certainly have to divide it by 100, and this is what you get for 1 month. Then you multiply it by the amount of crypto you want to lock. So if you're locking 10 USDT, it means this is going to be your reward at the end of 1 month. You have to know how to calculate that, and of course how it works. All right. If you blocking 100 USDT, it means at the end of the 1 month, this is what you're going to get. All right. Of course, if you lock 1,000 USDT at the end of 1 month, you can see the rewards 5.5. If you lock 10,000 USDT, you can see them. 100,000 you can see them, and that is how it works. Okay. So if you want to do for 1 month, I've shown you how to calculate it. If you want to do for 6 months, you can calculate 6.69 divided by 6, which is for 6 months 1.1%, and you divide it by 100. You can see, and you multiply it by whatever you want to do. So let's say 6 months with 100 USDT. You can see it's going to give you 1%. Now it's very small, but I'm just making you go through all of this educational process, so you can understand how you can calculate your rewards by yourself. Okay, so in my case, I want to do for 10 USDT, and let me show you how it's done. All right, so 6.69 divided by, I want to do for just 1 month, then divided by 12. This is my percent for 1 month. Then I'm going to divide, this is 0.5%, so you have to divide it by 100, and this is 0.05. Then you multiply it by 10. So this means this is what I'll be earning at the end of 1 month. It's really small because my capital, of course, is really small, right? So this is nice. Instead of just leaving my USDT stable there, I'm going to come back here, and of course, they have a minimum amount of 0.1, which means you can lock as little as 0.1. But then you have to understand that it's going to earn you very little. Okay, of course, 1 USDT is there, so this is practically how you can actually lock. You can actually use 1 USDT to get rewards. I'm going to just put in 10, which is the maximum. Okay, I'm going to put in 10, and then next thing you're going to find is they have calculated it based on what you earn daily. You can see this is going to be your daily real-time reward. This is the bonus you get for doing that, of course. But remember, I've calculated everything for you already. This is what you're going to get at the end of 1 month. Prepare for that. Okay, so I'm going to come back here, and then what you're going to do is to click on confirm. Understand the product rules. You can come here, read the product rules, everything. So this is simply today is the date which I'm doing. This is the subscription date. This is the accrual start, which means the accrual earnings start tomorrow. You get to get them daily, and of course the first distribution, you can see this is on the 29th. Okay, so that is what it is. After you have read and understood everything, you click on confirm, and then this is successful, and then you go to if you want to auto subscribe, which means after the earning period you want to still continue, you can click on this. If you want to click on view balance, come here. If you want to go to earn wallet, you come here. And if you go to earn wallet, you can see this is where it takes you to, and I've been doing this for quite some time. So if I click on my history, you can see there are little amount of USDT. You can see this is the one I've just done now. Flexible simply means you can unstake anytime you like. Whenever you don't want again, you can unstake it. I will show you how to do that. You can see the flexible coming in. This one has been locked, and of course, this is just how you can work passively here on Binance, and of course, claim small rewards, and of course, you can still use larger amounts if you have. Now, to unstake it, of course, what you have to do is to make sure you are still on the end area. The next step is to look at where your monies have been locked. Then you can see that it is around this place, okay, which you see that it's flexible. What you have to do is to click around this place. Just click anywhere around it, and you can see it's going to be here. And what you have to do is to, you see, yeah, you can click on redeem if you want to redeem. Okay, if you want to redeem, which means you don't want it again. Okay, you don't want it again, you click on redeem and you'll be able to redeem your monies back. And of course, it is just a one click something, and if you click on redeem, you are going to, this is what it is, you're going to get back your monies. Now, I know you're seeing 11 USDT, and this is because I already have 1 USDT staked on some certain product previously. So if you're clicking on redeem, what you'll be seeing is just 10 USDT, and of course you can redeem it back to your spot wallet. Okay, and then you click on confirm and you'll be able to redeem it. You can choose between spot or funding wallet in if you want to redeem to any other one. All right. So I don't want to redeem. I just want to leave it there so that I can lock it for some 21 day for some time. Okay, after some time I'll still go back there to unlock it. So this will be the end of this class, guys. If you have any questions, you can actually drop it down below in the comment. This is actually a great way to actually lock your USDT on the Binance M product, and of course, then you can get some little rewards for doing that. Do have a very wonderful day, guys, and definitely I will see you on another one tomorrow.